Next question is, you need to create a data loss prevention DLP policy. What should you use? Option A, the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Option B, the Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center. Option C, the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Option D, the Microsoft 365 Defender Portal. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, what is an assessment in compliance manager? Option A policy initiative that includes multiple policies. Option B, a dictionary of words that are not allowed in company documents. Option C, a grouping of controls from a specific regulation, standard, or policy. Option D, recommended guidance to help organizations align with their corporate standards. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, what can you use to view the Microsoft Secure Score for devices? Option A, Microsoft Defender for cloud apps. Option B, Microsoft Defender for endpoint. Option C, Microsoft Defender for identity. Option D, Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, what does conditional access evaluate by using Azure Active Directory, Azure AD Identity Protection? Option A, user actions. Option B, group membership. Option C, device compliance. Option D, user risk. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, which statement represents a Microsoft privacy principle? Option A, Microsoft manages privacy settings for its customers. Option B, Microsoft respects the local privacy laws that are applicable to its customers. Option C, Microsoft uses hosted customer email and chat data for targeted advertising. Option D, Microsoft does not collect any customer data. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which compliance feature should you use to identify documents that are employee resumes? Option A, pre-trained classifiers. Option B, Activity Explorer. Option C, e-discovery. Option D, Content Explorer. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which pillar of identity relates to tracking the resources accessed by a user? Option A, authorization. Option B, auditing. Option C, administration. Option D, authentication. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, what can be created in Active Directory Domain Services ADDS? Option A, line of business LOB applications that require modern authentication. Option B, computer accounts. Option C, software as a service SaaS applications that require modern authentication. Option D, mobile devices. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, what can you use to ensure that all the users in a specific group must use multi-factor authentication MFA to sign to Azure Active Directory Azure AD? Option A, Azure policy. Option B, a communication compliance policy. Option C, a conditional access policy. Option D, a user risk policy? Correct answer is option C.